DNA fingerprinting is done by a technique which is called as Western transfer, Northern transfer, Eastern transfer, gene transfer, Southern transfer. So correct answer is option E. DNA fingerprinting is done by Southern blotting or Southern transfer technique. Question number 2. The main aim of Human Genome Project is, तो Human Genome Project का जो main aim है is to identify and sequence all the genes that are present in human DNA. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरखास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. ह्यूमन जीनोम प्रोजेक्ट वाज डिस्कवर्ड बाय फ्रांसिस कोलिन एंड रॉड्रिक, वाटसन एंड क्रिक, बीडल एंड टेटम, पॉल बर्ग एंड वोलमैन. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए. फ्रांसिस कोलिन एंड रॉड्रिक ने जो है वो ह्यूमन जीनोम प्रोजेक्ट को डिस्कवर किया था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Polyethylene glycol method is used for gene transfer without a vector or biodiesel production, seedless fruit production, energy production from sewage. So correct answer is option A. Polyethylene glycol method is used for gene transfer without any vector. Question number 5. The Human Genome Project was initiated in 1988, 1990, 1992, 1994. So correct answer is option B. Human Genome Project was initiated in 1990. Question number 6. EcoRI is an example of exonuclease, endonuclease, specific site of restriction endonuclease, RNA polymerase. So correct answer is option B. EcoRI is an example of endonuclease enzyme. Question number 7. Which of the following is used to select a gene of interest from a genomic library? Restriction enzymes, cloning vector, gene targets, DNA probes. So correct answer is option D. DNA probes are used to select the gene of interest from a genomic library. What is forms the basis of DNA fingerprinting? इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी. Satellite DNA that is occurring as a highly repeated short DNA segments. These forms the basis of DNA fingerprinting. Question number 10. Enzymes that is responsible for transcription of snRNA in eukaryotes is RNA polymerase 1, RNA polymerase 1 and 2, RNA polymerase 2, RNA polymerase 3, RNases. So correct answer is option D. RNA polymerase 3 is responsible for transcription of snRNA in eukaryotes. Question number 11. Biolistic or gene gun is stable for disarming pathogen vectors, transformation of plant cells, or constructing recombinant DNA by joining them with vectors, or DNA fingerprinting. So correct answer is option C. Biolistic or gene gun is responsible for constructing recombinant DNA by joining different vectors. Question number 12. What is the first step in the Southern blot technique? Denaturation of DNA on the gel for hybridization with specific probe, or production of a group of genetically identical cells, or digestion of DNA by restriction enzyme, or isolation of DNA from nucleated cells such as the one from the scene of crime. So correct answer is option D. The first step in Southern blotting technique is the isolation of DNA from the nucleated cell. Question number 13. Cohen and Boyer isolated an antibiotic-resistant gene by cutting out a piece of DNA from a plasmid which was responsible for conferring antibiotic resistance in the year 1962, 1965, 1972, 1982. So correct answer is option C. In 1972, the cutting pieces of DNA from a plasmid that is responsible for antibiotic resistance. Question number 14. The pioneer contributor towards the use of human DNA fingerprinting in forensic science in India is Lalji H. Khurana, Swaminathan, J.C. Bose. So correct answer is option A. Lalji is a main contributor towards the use of human DNA fingerprinting in India. Question number 15. Nobel Prize to Kornberg and Ochoa was given for artificial synthesis of gene, chemistry of DNA and RNA, one gene, one enzyme hypothesis, artificial synthesis of DNA. So correct answer is option D. Kornberg और Ochoa को जो है नोबेल प्राइज दिया गया for artificial synthesis of DNA. Question number 16. Which one is a true statement regarding DNA polymerase used in PCR? It is used to ligate introduced DNA in recipient cells, or it serves as a selectable marker, or it is isolated from a virus, or it remains active at high temperature. So correct answer is option डी के जो डीएनए पॉलीमरेज यूज़ होता है पीसीआर में वो एक्टिव रहता है इवन एट हाई टेम्परेचर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 17, डीएनए फिंगरप्रिंटिंग टेक्निक वाज डेवलप्ड बाय, तो ये जेफरी विल्सन और थीन ने जो है डिस्कवर की थी। सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए। Question number 18. Amplification of gene of interest by using DNA polymerase may go up to 1 billion times. So correct answer is option C. Question number 19. cDNA probes are copied from the messenger RNA molecule with the help of, or central dogma of genetic information is modified by the discovery of restriction enzyme, reverse transcriptase, DNA polymerase, adenosine deaminase. So correct answer is option B. By the discovery of reverse transcriptase, the central dogma was modified. In the same way, cDNA probes can copy information from messenger RNA by means of reverse transcriptase. Question number 20. Gene synthesis is related to Van Baer, H. G. Khurana, L. Pasteur, Carolus Linnaeus. So correct answer is option B. H. G. Khurana is related to gene synthesis. Question number 21. Which one of the following technique is employed in human genetic counseling? Serological technique, polyploidy, genetic engineering, aminocentesis, or pedigree analysis? So correct answer is option E. Pedigree analysis is employed in human genetic counseling.